In this video, you will see how to make a heading in Word document like this. So you can have this navigation pane and you can just click on the heading or subheading like this. It's very easy. First, type all your headings and subheadings. After typing, just select the first heading, and here under the home tab, you will see the option of heading 1. So heading 1 is the main heading and heading 2 is the subheading and so on. When you click on the heading 1, it will give the heading 1 formatting. However, note that the font color and font size has changed. To modify it, right click on the heading option and then click on modify. Here you can select the font size, let's say 18 for example. You can see the preview here, and instead of blue we want black, so I will select here black. You can also select the font type if you want to, and then just click on OK. For the next heading 2, you just have to select it, and when you click on the heading 1, the formatting will be applied automatically. Similarly, for the subheading, click on heading 2, then right click, go to modify, select the font size and all whatever you want, and then click on OK. And then similarly, select the subheading 2 and click on heading 2. Now to see the navigation pane here, press Ctrl H on your keyboard and then click on this document map option. You will see here the navigation pane. So when you click on heading 1, you will go to heading 1, and similarly if you click on subheading, you will go to the respective subheading like this. In this way you can make headings in Word for your research paper or thesis. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn formatting quickly in Microsoft Word document. See you again in the next one.